Now I have typed the command that is used to determine all the files in the working directory. We press the enter and we can see these files and we type telnet. And follow this one. Now we can see the username is fake and the password is user. The IP address is this one. And the command to determine all the files in the working directory in the Telnet exchange.